Well, here we are on Monday, August 8th. I think we're coming up the Rob Roy Reservoir is what this is right here. So, take a look here. Yeah, well, good morning. August 8th, about 10:30 here at Rob Roy Reservoir, just to give you a little road report. Show you what the lake looks like. I guess we'll next be heading on towards Centennial as our next stop, and we'll go from there. Camp was really good last night. Had a place to set up by myself. Campfire grill and everything was right there, and had a little place that was pretty soft to put the tent, so no complaints. Stayed warm too. Wow. Jeez. Can't quite tell you what the road is here, but we're coming down towards Centennial. Boy, after that creek crossing back there, that was a rough one. All rocks on that section 1. We're going down a pretty good hill now in second, and second's having a hard time holding me. There's Centennial down there. Yeah, we're here on section 2 right now this afternoon. It's about 3:30, and I'm on Sand Lake Road headed for Elk Mountain. I am a bit off of the Wyoming BDR. It's just west of me. So I guess I'm on a good enough BDR here. Maybe I'm on the green trail, I don't know, but it works for me. It's just dirt road going into Elk Mountain. I don't know, I might camp up here today. I'm planning my big journey tomorrow up toward Alcoa, Wyoming, lake. We'll have to see what I'm going to do. I'm not sure. Not a whole lot to see up here on the video. Just trees, all it is. But it's fun riding. It's a good, relaxing ride. I just got kind of mixed up with the tracks earlier today. I kept pulling up my Trans-America Trail Wyoming track, and didn't realize that they're spelled different. So I ended up on this road instead. That's what happened. Otherwise it'd probably be on the BDR, but oh well, this will work. I'll meet up with the end of section 2 down here. Ooh, look at that. Nice little pond. Yeah. But if I didn't mention earlier, this is actually called Forest Road 101 as well. You just grab it right out of Centennial. A few miles up the road, head north and take a right, and you'll be on Sand Lake Road, which turns Forest Road 101. It's a nice ride. Good evening. It's about 7:15. I'm here at camp, just off of Road 120 and 101 up here in the National Forest, the Snowy Range area. I'm probably about 15 miles south of Elk Mountain, between Elk Mountain and Centennial. So as you can see, the bike is still in one piece. We had a rough ride this morning and kind of got our tracks screwed up here this afternoon. I had Trans-America Trail Wyoming tracks on, as well as the BDR Wyoming, and I got them switched around a bit. And I couldn't find Wyoming Section 2 because I kept looking at the Trans-America Trail. Oh well, I've been on this 101 most of the afternoon. I think they call it Stone Lake Road. Goes into Centennial. It's been a nice road. It just rides parallel with the BDR. It's just west of me here. So about the same road, same crap, you know, same dirt and rocks, timber. I'm going to camp up here tonight where it's nice and cool. I don't want to go down to that Elk Mountain BLM country. It's hot down there, so I'm just going to hang out here tonight at camp. And tomorrow, I think I'm going to kind of head over towards Shoshone. I'm not going to do the BDR around Atlantic City or Lander. And I wanted to really go up to 10 Sleep anyways. That's my mission in life, is to go up to 10 Sleep and see how the camping and the nightclub is up there. They've got a, a brewery, and you're allowed to camp right there at the brewery, set your tent up. So I thought that'd be pretty fun. And a lot of that 10 Sleep Canyon, I want to ride some of that and look that over. So it's kind of a new type of country for me, and then that'll put me in the area of Cody, Wyoming, as well as Thermopolis when I'm ready to go play a little bit on my way back. So this is camp. Pretty nice. I mean, I picked it up here about an hour ago, set up the tent, and I'm all ready to go. I had myself a nice lunch down there in Centennial today. I'll have to check out the restaurant and tell you what it is and put it out on the video. I don't recall right off the top of my head what the name of it is. But I'll give you a 360, what it looks like here. Sun's hitting those trees behind me. This looks really cool. I think these are all lodgepole pines, I believe, really thick. Nice country up here, beautiful. Weather, you couldn't ask for any better. Mosquitoes are real light, and everything is just hunky-dory. So I'll check in with you guys later. Take care. Well, good morning. Here on a Tuesday, August 8th, about 10:30, and as always, it takes me a long time to get out of camp, get stuff ready to go. But we're on 101 right now, going down in the valley into town of Elk Mountain, where we'll be pretty quick here. Had a few sets of bikes pass me earlier. I just don't ride that fast, so they're going KTMs and stuff, riding hard, but not me. I'm just relaxing. When I get there, I get there. Pretty little aspen grove there. There you can see the valley. This is still section 2 that I'm riding, just about to the end of it. Cruising along in 4th gear, about 31 mile an hour. Plenty fast for me. Well, we're coming on into Elk Mountain now. Kind of looked through my baggage last night and I can't seem to find my ratchet straps. So I like to carry 1 or 2 of those just for emergencies. So I thought I packed it and don't have it. So I want to see if there's some place in town here that might sell them. Anyways, Elk Mountain. Yeah, nice house there. Town Hall, yeah. Well, good afternoon. About 12:30. I'm on the Highway 487 heading northwest toward Riverton, Wyoming. Got about another 2 3/4 hours to ride, but thought I'd give you a little snapshot of what it's like out here on a Tuesday. The road is pretty dead. Got the road to myself, so I'm just going along about 56, 57 mile an hour, and we'll get there sooner or later. So we'll check in with you later. Road 77. Headed back to the interchange of 487.